Welcome to the Pet Care Chatbot preview. This intelligent chatbot is designed to simplify how pet parents access care services, making their pet's well-being journey easier, guided, and completely stress-free. The interaction begins with a warm welcome message, followed by a main menu featuring 6 service options: book vet visit, grooming and spa, diet and nutrition, training and behavior, shop pet products, and contact us. These are standard industry features, but they can be fully customized to match any business's specific needs and requirements. When the user selects Shop Pet Products, the chatbot immediately displays product categories. After choosing a category, all available products within that section are shown. Once a product is selected and the user clicks Order Now, the bot prompts them to enter the desired quantity. After the quantity is submitted, the chatbot instantly sends a confirmation message. The user can then move to the View Cart section where a clear order summary is displayed along with 2 convenient options: adjust quantity to add more items or remove item to update the cart. When the user proceeds to checkout, they are guided to a clean and simple checkout screen. After entering the required details, the order is placed successfully, followed by a final confirmation message. This chatbot delivers a smooth, user-friendly, and reliable experience, helping pet parents care for their pets with ease, all in one place. Now that we have explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the Flow Builder. This is where our Start node resides, the point from which every chatbot conversation begins. From here, we access the Welcome node and the main menu options, all of which can be customized based on your business needs. Each menu option opens its own individual flow. Within these flows, we can display, get products, show products, and perform operations on cart. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of the Pet Care Chatbot template installation process and Flow Builder overview.